Hello, I have some items that I want to show you. I did order from the Paige Evans, her bookbinding kit that she has, and so it came today, and I want to show you what she put in it. So she did give me these Paige Evans embellishments, and this one is the Garden Shop, and this is what you get in here. And the next one is the Garden Shop, and it's 40 embellishments in here, and this is what you get in here. Sorry for the glare. And then there's a sticker book with 308 stickers, and you get 8 pages. This is the first one, first 4, and then the next 4. And then 6 dimensional stickers. And then she added 32 epoxy stickers. They look like buttons, as you can see. And then she gave me some little tags here and some embroidery floss. So she gave me that color and that color. And then the book cover, she already made the holes for the book. As you can see, they're already drilled to make a book. And then she gave me a, what is it called? Image to where to cut. She gave me some sanding paper, a thank you note, and these are the cardstock that she included to make the little books. One is cute. Birds. But I think I'm gonna use my cardstock for this book, because I want to make like a full, put all the 4 books pages that I bought. These are hearts. They look like polka dots, but they're hearts. So I think I'm going to use my own cardstock. And the cardstock that I picked up from the Stamp Book Expo. So hopefully I can make this weekend. This little book. So that's the kit that I bought from Paige Evans. And then my husband had to go to the store, and we went to a Hobby Lobby next to it. So I bought some stuff from Hobby Lobby. I needed one of these plastics to hold my cardstock, because I made some changes in my room. And then I picked this Tim Holtz washi tape, which I fell in love with. So I bought that. And then I picked up these little ephemera snippets. And that's a, and you get in this 120 pieces. And then I saw this in the clearance section, you know, in the back, this happy planner. I was gonna use mine happy planner that I have here, but I wanted something cheerful, so I picked this up for $8.74, which I think is a good deal. And it's an undated, so I have to date it. So this is what I'm going to use for 2023. And that's how it looks. So let me see if I could open this up. Okay. Can't tell. For some reason I'm liking pink, and this one has the pink hearts, or like a blush. So I picked this up. Okay. So it has the months here, little sticker book here, which I'm trying to take out. I like that the colors of this book, so that's why I picked it up. Some nice colors, and it's colors that I like, that I gravitate more to. So this is the weekly spreads, which I like. One happy day. Oh, what is it? This one doesn't have anything. Let's see this one. Do what you love. Get busy. Live life in full bloom. And this one. Get stuff done. Cute. Flowers. Hooray for today. And then live your dream. And the last two is be kind. Be a nice human. Be kind. And then bring on today. And this is the back, which I like. So this will be my 2023 monthly planner. So I'm happy I picked it up. So is this the dashboard? I think this is the dashboard. And you could put it inside. I think that's what it is. And then this, you just take it out from here. And then you cut it there. And then move it inside here. Yep, that's what it is. Dashboard layer, I want to get organized. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to cut it here and I'm going to keep this. And I'm going to put it here as my monthly kit. Like every month it'll give me like a where I stopped off. So I'm going to take this out from here and cut it here. So I'm going to keep that. And then I did go to IKEA on Sunday. And I bought some stuff for my craft room to make some changes. So I did buy this Beskin. This is where I was keeping my my steel dies. So I bought another one, and then I bought another of those Helmer tin drawers to put right here on my desk. So if you're interested in how I rearranged again my room, leave me a comment down below and I'll make a quick video and show you my room updates, because you know, you never really finish completing your craft room. There's always changes. So if you want to see my craft room layout, please leave me a comment or down below and I'll do that for you. As always, please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. And take care. Bye-bye.